Welcome to House of Hybrids. My name is Renato, and today we're going to show you how to do a jump start on a 2016 Ford C-Max. And that will be the same for all C-Max from 2013 all the way to 2020. Okay, so, and before that, I'm going to give you a tip. I'm going to be using a mini jump start. That's come in handy. It's really good. So I highly recommend it to have in your car because you don't depend on another car in order to jump start your car, because you might have the jumper cable, but if you don't have nobody that is willing to help you out in order to give you a jump, you're still stuck on the street. But with this, you don't need no one. You just get your cable, connect over here, and now you have your jumper. And a good thing, it's too safe to use. Even if you touch wrong, you're not gonna short out anything. It's only gonna turn on this little box once you touch the battery power. Okay, so, and also plus you do have other features on it. If you're low on battery on your cell phone, it can be used as a power bank. You have two USB entrants here, and also you have, if you need it to charge your computer, some of laptops you can turn it on with this. You have a flashlight, a strobe, and a slow flash. So it's really come in hand when you need. Okay, and I will be putting the link where to find those devices. It will be listed on the link below. All right, so now let's do it. And where you're gonna put, so over here you're gonna see a little red cover. It has the plus sign on it. This you just pull up, and here is where you're gonna connect your red cable. That's the positive. And on the negative one is a little hide here. It's on this bolt here. It's a long bolt, long rod. You just connect it. Once you connect, you see on my device the light is on. That means now it's going, the power is going through the cables. So now it's giving power to whatever those alligator clips touch. So now you're ready to start your car. Once you're done, just remove them. Again, lights off, no more danger of short out anything. And that's how we do it. So don't forget to put that back in. This way you're safe to nothing touch it and get short. So I hope that was helpful, and I see you next video. Thanks.